Hi guys, welcome to Tech class. Today we are beginning a new part of our Art plus Tech unit. Today we're going to be creating 8-bit art. We'll do this for probably 1 or 2 weeks, and that's it. This is a lot like the Mondrian art in that we're using Google Sheets, but it's a little bit different because it's not nearly as abstract, and you can pretty easily tell, what you're creating. So right here is just a picture of a minion that I created. You can tell that it's a minion. But what we're going to do is we are going to recreate that minion. So this, of course, requires a fair amount of counting, which is awesome. Do a little bit of math with our technology. I really enjoy stuff like that. So for me, usually it's easiest to start either at the bottom or the top. And today, I think we're going to start actually at the bottom with his shoes. I'm just assuming that it's a him. It could be a her. I don't know. So what I see is that we have to count over 1, 2 spaces. So we'll just start here. 1, 2, and then he has 3 squares for his black shoes. 1, 2, 3. And how I did that is I clicked and I held onto the mouse and I drug it over 3 spots. And then here's another trick that you can use. There's a button on your keyboard that says, I believe it's the command button. It could be a different one, but it says command. And if I hold that and I click somewhere else, then see how it did these ones and then it skipped this space and now it's here. So if I hold the command button, I can skip that space for the white and then do 1, 2, 3 more. Now I can also hold it again and I can do the top part of his shoes. And that's, of course, just by clicking the command button. So now when I click the fill color or the paint bucket and select black, his whole shoes are actually now black. And now what I can see is that 1 over from right here is where his blue overalls begin. So that goes over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it goes up 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to hold it, click down the mouse. I don't have to click the command button for this, and I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, when I counted that, you can see that I included the square that I actually started on. I didn't hold here and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because that would have taken me too far. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I'm going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to turn that blue. Okay, so I've got this part. Now I need to go in 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 2. And then I'm also going to go back out and get these parts all in one go. So I'm going to drag over my 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 2. And then I'm going to click that command button again. Start over here for my 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'll get up in these corners for where the overall straps are. And I'm going to make that blue as well. And then really quick, I'll get both of his hands. Command click. And then I'm still holding the command button. Whoops. Command click. And those are black, of course. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the details in his face. And I'm going to go back and do all of the yellow at the very end. So right here is where his mouth begins. So it goes over 3 and then diagonal 1. So I use my command click again there. And then I can see that if I go up from this overall strap, up 1, 2, 3, 4, then there's going to be 2 by 2 that are his glasses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 by 2. Did I do that wrong? Let's count again because that looks a little bit different. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I did it right. Cool. And then I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Command click. And then I just need to go over 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And then I can turn all of those black. And then let's do the gray parts. And we don't have to color the white parts because, they're already white, which is convenient. So I'm going to select these two, these two, these two, these two, these two, these two, and then last of all will just be those two. And those will be gray. Oops, I made that one gray too. Doesn't really matter, but I'll reset it just for fun. All right, so at this point, we can pretty much see that it's coming together. All we have to do now is add the yellow part for the minion. So let's just go ahead and do that. So I'm once again using my command click, selecting all of these. And then, so all of this, so pretty much all around is going to be yellow. Now, I'm going to show you a mistake that I made that I just noticed. I started off too high with the minion, didn't I? Because now the top of its head is going to get cut off. I don't have the space for it. So we will fix that in just a second. But right now I'm just going to get all of this part colored in yellow. Remember, I need to leave the white part of his glasses or the whites of his eyes still white, right? So it looks like I started off just one row too high, didn't I? Okay, so we're going to color all of this yellow. Let's see, I missed that one, so let's get that real fast. There we go. So, oh, and this one, goodness gracious, should definitely pay attention. Okay, so to fix this, all I have to do is I'm going to highlight it all, and then I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to click Cut. Now what's going to happen is that the box around it is going to start flashing. What I can do is I can move it pretty much anywhere on this screen that I want to. If I wanted to just move it down one square, I could click one square down and click Command V to paste it. And then all I have to do now is select these ones and then make them yellow as well. And there we go. We have our minion. So you have at the bottom, there's a bunch of different tabs. A few of them are actually hidden by my control panel right here, which is fine. But there's the Deal With It glasses, there's Mario. And on the Mario one, I just wanted to let you know that you'll have to use a custom color, just like in the Mondrian art, to get Mario's skin correct. Yeah, it's just this color right here, so you just copy it and then go into the custom colors and then just paste it there. Okay, that should be it. I'll be around to answer any questions that you have. I'm so excited for this lesson. It's going to be a blast. If you're super rocking it, then maybe you can move on to this Pikachu or Darth Vader. All right, catch you later, guys. Thanks for hanging.